Guys, it is Sunday. Welcome back to my channel. Don't mind my ugly sunglasses. I don't have any other ones on me. But so today we're really just going to be doing kind of like a vlog with me videos. Christian's driving my whip, which Lord help us all. So anyways, today my brother's birthday celebration and I gotta go over there and cook some food later on. But right now we are going to get some Taco Bell and then we have to get like a gift bag and wrapping paper for his gift. Guys, I'm so pissed off because the gift we ordered on Amazon on Friday, my card was under fraud and I tried to use the digital card that they gave me and it literally like declined. So we had to order it again on Saturday. So hopefully it'll be here in time before we leave. If not, we're just gonna have to come back and get it. But we're gonna do that and stay tuned for what we got at Taco Bell. What card are we gonna get? We need something funny. Guys, so this is the card we're gonna get. Hold on. So of course we had to get him princess wrapping paper because if we didn't, then that just like wouldn't be us. So we had to. But I'm hyped because it's gonna be so funny because that card is hilarious and also this is weak. So now we're gonna go eat because the girl is starving. Okay, so we got our Taco Bell, and if you don't know, Taco Bell is literally my favorite fast food place ever, so I'm so hyped. But we're gonna go home and eat this food and then we're gonna go to my dad's at like 2 o'clock, but it's only 12:40 right now. Let me put you all on to what I get at Taco Bell. A cheesy gordito crunch with a nacho shell and fiesta potatoes. But this is a game changer for real. So if you guys get that, let me know because it's fire. It's almost time to head out, but I want to check on my cactuses because I feel like I haven't watered them in a little bit. So let me just tell you, I actually got these cactuses back in New York. Actually, Christian bought these for me because I really wanted them because I love cactuses. But look at how, well, you don't know what they looked like before, but they got so freaking big to the point where they started falling over. Look what he had to do to make them so they wouldn't. He literally had to put like forks and knives and stuff in here. This plant and this one, they were both in this pot, but they literally grew so freaking much to the point where they had to be separated. We is at my padre's house. Hello. Hello. Both. Guys, look at the wrapping paper. Okay guys, so we're at my dad's house, which you guys know. So we're cooking chicken Alfredo bake, right? And so far what we did was we cut cubed chicken, actually cleaned it, put some salt, pepper, oil in the pan, and then, well, I didn't cut this. Dad cut some garlic up and some parsley. So Peep his Hulk. Yeah.
Hulk apron.
Suits him very well. So we're just gonna brown this right now and then cook the rest of it.
We're gonna brown it. We're gonna add garlic. We're gonna add chicken stock and some heavy cream, and we're gonna saute it all up, and then we're gonna put it in a big pan, and then we're gonna add different cheeses and all kinds of other stuff, and then it's gonna bake. So we'll brown this up, and then we'll get it close to going in the pan, and then we'll let you guys check it back out.
Padre is determined to fit this all in one pot.
It fit. It's in there, baby.
Until it expands.
We're gonna. How much you want to bet?
How much do you want to bet? It doesn't work.
Stay tuned.
Say hi. Hi. So you look gorgeous.
Oh yeah, beautiful.
So it's all cooked, and then we are going to pour some in here, and then layer it with some mozzarella and some Parmesan cheese, and just layer it up, and then put it in the oven. Yeah, put some more.
All right,
good.
That's good.
Bogey's underneath, eating everything you dropped on the floor.
There we go. What are you doing? This is the most, it's like anorexic. Put some cheese in it. You're Italian, for God's sakes. There we go.
I'm filming at the same time.
There we go. Now we're going to do more.
So now we're going to do the second layer.
And then, when it's all done,
I'm going to bake it.
It goes in the oven, 350 degrees approximately for about 30 minutes.
Okay, so now this is going to go into the oven. Princesses for my princess. Okay. Okay. No, open your card.
Oh, thank you. I asked this naked guy to deliver a birthday message to you. If it's a pecker, it's going to you, man. It's going. Oh, how do you open this?
So regular.
Oh, that's nice. Oh, you drew a little peen tip on him. That's great. Christian, thank you. Free pink princess wrapping that's gonna get torn to shreds. Hey,
This is by your request.
my balls like trimmers. That's like, it's like $80. I think so. Oh! This is a rebounder so it doesn't go in the street. Oh!
Do you want me to put them on the table? I should
Go wash up.
Why did I forget the...
You want the bread, yeah?
Yeah.
Yummy. Delicious. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lorenzo. Happy birthday to you. Yay! How old are you, bro?
3
Oh.
and a half.
Oh.
Perfect.
Okay guys, that's all for this video. If you guys enjoyed coming along my Sunday travels with me, then let me know and I will definitely be doing more. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching.